Hello everyone, welcome back. If you care about your health and want to enjoy life to the fullest, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about a very important topic for those of you who are 60, 70, 80 or beyond. Have you ever stopped to think that some everyday habits might be hurting your body without you even knowing? It might surprise you to learn that the little things we do every day can add up over time and lead to problems with our energy, mobility, and overall well-being. In this video, we'll uncover 8 harmful habits that you should stop right away. Whether it's how you sit for long periods, the foods you choose, or even the way you think about your day, each habit can have a real impact on your health. I promise to explain each habit in simple words, so it's easy to understand and put into practice. And if you find these tips helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy and practical health advice. Your support means a lot and helps us share more useful tips with you. Let's jump right in and look at these habits. We'll start at number 8 and work our way down to number 1, the most important habit to change for a better, healthier life. Habit 8, lack of daily movement. Many of us spend long hours sitting or lying down, whether it's watching TV, reading, or just relaxing. However, this habit can make our muscles weak and our body feel slower over time. When we do not move enough during the day, our joints may become stiff and our balance can worsen. It's important to remember that even simple movements help our body stay active and strong. Consider adding small activities to your day like standing up every hour, stretching in between tasks, or taking short walks. These actions not only help improve blood flow, but also boost your mood and energy levels. Every little bit of movement counts. So even if it's just moving around the house, it makes a difference to your overall health. Habit 7. Skipping. Healthy meals. Skipping meals, especially a nutritious breakfast, can leave your body without the fuel it needs to start the day. When you miss out on a balanced meal, your energy levels may drop and you might feel tired or weak. A proper meal gives your body the vitamins, minerals, and energy it needs to function at its best. Eating regular meals helps keep your blood sugar levels steady and your metabolism active. Instead of skipping meals, try to plan a simple, healthy breakfast or lunch, even if it means having a small snack. Preparing meals ahead of time or having healthy options on hand can make a big difference in maintaining your energy and overall well-being throughout the day. Habit 6. Not drinking enough water. Water is essential for keeping our body systems working properly. When we do not drink enough water, our body can become dehydrated, which may lead to feeling tired, dizzy, or even confused at times. Dehydration can affect your skin, your energy, and even your thinking. Drinking water helps to flush out toxins and keeps your organs, muscles, and joints working smoothly. Try to keep a water bottle close by throughout the day and set small reminders if needed. Even if you don't feel thirsty, taking regular sips can help maintain your energy levels and overall health. Remember, water is one of the easiest and most effective ways to support a healthy body. Habit 5. Overeating unhealthy foods. Often we find comfort in foods that are high in sugar, salt, or fat. While these treats can make us feel happy for a short moment, eating them too often can lead to long-term health issues. Overeating unhealthy foods can contribute to weight gain, high blood pressure, and problems with your heart. These foods usually don't provide the nutrients your body really needs. Instead of relying on them, try to incorporate more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet. Planning your meals and snacks in advance can help you avoid reaching for less healthy options when hunger strikes. Small changes, like choosing a piece of fruit over a candy bar, can add up over time and help you feel more energetic and balanced. Habit 4. Ignoring your sleep needs. Sleep is one of the most important parts of staying healthy. Yet many of us take it for granted. When you don't get enough sleep, or the sleep you do get is of poor quality, it can affect almost every part of your life. Poor sleep can leave you feeling tired, foggy, and less able to handle daily tasks. It can also weaken your immune system and even affect your mood. Establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a calm bedtime routine, and making sure your sleep environment is comfortable can make a big difference. Even small changes, such as turning off screens an hour before bed or keeping your bedroom cool and quiet, can help improve your sleep quality and overall well-being. Habit 3. Skipping, stretching, or exercise. Regular movement is essential for maintaining both physical and mental health. Skipping, stretching, or other forms of exercise can lead to stiffness in your muscles and joints. Over time, this lack of movement can make everyday activities more difficult and even increase your risk of falls. Even if you're not able to do a full workout, incorporating simple stretches or light exercises into your daily routine can have a positive impact. Activities such as a short walk, gentle yoga, or even a few minutes of stretching in the morning can help improve your flexibility, boost circulation, and maintain your balance. These simple practices not only help keep your body active, but also contribute to a brighter mood and a more relaxed mind. Habit 2. Neglecting regular health checkups. Many of us sometimes think that if we feel fine, there is no need to visit the doctor. However, skipping regular health checkups can be risky because it might mean missing early signs of health issues. Routine checkups are important for catching small problems before they become big ones. When you see your doctor regularly, you give yourself the chance to discuss any concerns, update your medications, and get advice on keeping your body strong. A regular visit to the doctor can help monitor your blood pressure, cholesterol, and other important health indicators. It's a proactive step that not only keeps you informed about your current health, but also helps you plan for a healthier future. Think of it as a way to stay one step ahead, keeping your health on track so you can enjoy your day-to-day activities without worry. Even if you feel well, a quick checkup can make all the difference in maintaining a vibrant and active life. Habit 1. Living with a negative mindset. Perhaps the most important change you can make is to work on your mindset. Living with a negative mindset means holding on to thoughts that make you feel low, stressed, or unhappy, and this can really take a toll on your overall well-being. A negative mindset can affect your heart, your sleep, and even the way you feel about your everyday life. When you focus on negative thoughts, it can increase stress levels and make it harder to recover from even small setbacks. Instead, try to shift your focus to the positive parts of your life. Practice gratitude by thinking about the little things that make you smile, and surround yourself with people who encourage and support you. It might also help to set aside a few minutes each day for relaxation or meditation to clear your mind and invite positive energy. Over time, a positive mindset can lead to better, health-improved relationships and a more joyful life overall. And there you have it. 8 habits that can hold you back from living a healthier, happier life by moving a bit more every day, enjoying balanced meals, drinking plenty of water, choosing better foods, getting enough sleep, staying active, keeping up with checkups, and nurturing a positive mindset. You're taking important steps to care for your body and mind. Remember, it's never too late to change a habit or start a new, healthier routine. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more easy health advice and practical tips. Don't forget to share this video with friends or family who might benefit from a few positive changes in their lives. Leave a comment below to let us know which tip you're most excited to try, or if you have any other suggestions. Stay positive, stay active, and take care of yourself every day. See you in the next video.